Good morning, team. Thursday the 22nd, and let's get right into my focus list for today's session. So yesterday we saw a pretty strong day, only to completely turn around and fade here towards the close. So as you can see on the 65-minute chart yesterday, nice move higher and then a fade from tech. Saw the same thing in financials and just pretty much across the board. So for today, there's really not too much on my list, guys. I still like energy here. Energy is still in this, call it little consolidation range here. And you got names such as ExxonMobil, a leading name in the energy sector. In that consolidation range as well. You've got Chevron, in this consolidation right here. So again, trading very similar to the ETF itself. And then you got another one in EOG, which is actually a bit more interesting. So you look at EOG versus CVX, where CVX has basically been sold off and gone sideways. With EOG, you had the big sell-off, but a quick return of buying, and now this little kind of sideways action here. So again, guys, the idea is that XLE, that is the energy sector ETF, if money flows into the entire sector as a whole, the leading names in that sector as well are going to make moves to the upside. So for energy, those are names like ExxonMobil, Chevron, and EOG Resources, just to name a few of my favorites. So the way I'll play that, guys, is I'll have a set of charts like this, and I'll have my energy ETF. I'll have a few of the leaders such as Exxon, Chevron, and EOG. And what I want to see is, first of all, volume heading into the overall market itself. So that means, I want to see money coming into the Qs and the SPY. And then the second thing I want to see is money coming into XLE, the energy sector as a whole. And then if I also see money, aka volume, coming into the leading names, that's when I'll consider that to be a potential group move and take my position there. But until those things are present, guys, I'll be on the sidelines with that trade. And that's pretty much it at the moment. Nothing is really screaming at me. Take a look here at the FANG stocks. And now this is starting to get interesting. So got Apple in a nice little consolidation here. So that is definitely something to watch. Amazon kind of in no man's land at the moment. Facebook is beginning to get a bit messy, as is Alibaba. That's a bit extended, so that's a no play for me. Netflix probably a no play. Google and Tesla all probably no plays as well. I do like the 65-minute consolidation here on Boeing, guys. Very short-term consolidation in this tight range, but was able to sneak in for a quick $200 there yesterday, so we'll keep my eye on that. And this trade worked yesterday because I bought the calls as the volume came up. So that is about it for today, guys. Patience will definitely need to be practiced today. And keep in mind, we've been seeing the same pattern repeatedly lately, which is a relatively strong open. We kind of inch higher for the rest of the session, and then we fade to the downside. So if you did not watch last night's video, check your inbox and watch that, because I kind of discussed how understanding and having an awareness of the kind of action we're seeing day to day can allow us to stay profitable even in a mess like this. So good luck to you today, guys. Be patient. Try to avoid trading the first half hour, and I will see you all in the group chat.